Hi, Dave. I'm Kalyan Sudhar. I attended your today's session. Really wonderful thing. I enjoyed it throughout the session. I find many hints you're giving it out of your experience and your analyticals and creativity and your real words you are using in every each and every word you are using is really a great mind-blowing thing. Every youngsters has to catch you up completely. Each and every word you choose are wonderful. The points which you narrate in your lecture session are like, say, for example, common sense, commitments, courage, or simple words. But how you are relating it to your mindset, they're in a dilemma whether to shift it to business or work. You want to be millionaire, billionaire, how to change their mind. These are all very simple things that they can easily follow, they can implement in their life. And also the passion, skills, and demand, which you said. Everything knows that words, but everybody is dreaming about the passionate job. Leave on money, crorepati or whatever it is. Passionate job. Nobody is. Most of the people are not able to get it because I served about 15 years as a placement officer. I know the mindset of the students in the college. I have given job for 10,000 odd students in my life, 15 years service. So getting a job or making a money, making a millionaire, only a mindset. You kindle the ideas very easily and nicely in your lecture session. In fact, I'm reading your book, 80% 20% mindset. Wonderful, very awesome, and you made a lot of homework on that. Really, a very simple language you written that book. I enjoying it. After seeing that book only, I want to attend your session. That is the main motive. I really enjoyed it, and now I'm not for any business or thing. I'm doing a lot of after my retirement. For the past 2 years, I'm doing some social works. I'm try to lift the have-nots to come up in their life to my best level best. That I'm doing it. I have taken a lot of inputs from your session. Definitely, that I'll input in my life. I'll recommend your sessions. I will recommend them youngsters to take you as a mentor in their life. And your efforts to make 10 million is really a great thing that you had in your mind. You have your mind. I hope you will achieve it. Also, your way of encouraging. That's it. Awesome. Your completely three hours session was not boring or you are engaging like anything. You have good team, I think so. They are doing it wonderful. They get sending a clear communications on and off. So you are doing wonderful job. Keep going on, and share with me some of the future videos so that I can be use. I will be using it for my upliftment. Even in these days, I am learning, so there's no limit for learning. We will have to learn. Then only we will be living as human being until last. Every day is a learning prospects. So I hope I enjoyed it. You keep going. Share me some videos if you have, and for me to take it. I'll also keep in touch with you. You also keep in touch with me. Thank you. Bye.